In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log an email in Salesforce using Flow. This process can be incredibly useful for keeping track of email interactions directly within your Salesforce environment, ensuring all your communications are well recorded and accessible. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you need to start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, look towards the top of the screen and locate the gear icon. You'll recognize it as the settings icon. Click on it and from the drop-down menu select Advanced Setup. This will take you deeper into the settings where we can start configuring the flow. In the Advanced Setup window you will see a search bar labeled Quick Find. In this field go ahead and type the word Flows. As you type you'll notice options appearing beneath the search bar, narrowing down to what we need. Once you see the Flows option, click on it. This will lead you to the page where you can manage and create new flows. Now that you're on the flows page, you'll want to start fresh, so select the option Start from Scratch. This allows us to build a flow tailored specifically to logging emails. When you start a new flow from scratch, it gives you the flexibility to customize according to your specific needs and ensures no pre-existing configurations interfere. Next up, you'll be prompted to choose the type of flow you want to create. For our purpose, select Record Triggered Flow. This is essential because we need the flow to automatically start whenever a specific action occurs. In this case, an email is sent. After choosing the flow type, it's time to specify the object you're working with. Set the object to email message. This tells Salesforce that the flow we're creating concerns email records. With the object set, you'll now decide when the flow should trigger. Choose the condition a record is created. This choice ensures that every time a new email message record is created in Salesforce, the flow will be activated automatically. With these settings configured, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button, and a prompt will appear asking for a name for your flow. It's best to choose a descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. I recommend naming it Log Email on Send. Once you've named the flow, don't forget the critical final step, activating it. Look for the Activate option, click it, and ensure your flow is ready to go. Following these steps will set up an automated process to log emails in Salesforce, ensuring you have a clear trail of your communications. I hope this guide helps streamline your operations in Salesforce and enhances your email tracking capabilities. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials on optimizing your Salesforce use.